The recipe for a happy family. Wow. Family is loving each other, caring for one another, and being committed and sacrificing for one another. You can accomplish anything when everybody is willing to make those sacrifices for one another.
What are we? Best what?
Best friends.
And what do I always bring you when I pick you up from school?
A treat.
We got this time, we've been given this gift. And once it's gone for good. You'll never get it back. Like, it's in the ether, it is gone. So let's use it for good. Let's use it to connect. Let's use it to be together. Building these traditions and family bonds, it doesn't have to be expensive or extravagant. It can be simple. The great thing about that simplicity is you can pass it from generation to generation. You get energy from that connection, from that relationship, from really doing something that's meaningful.
On the laces. Oh, ooh, nice.
What did I get out of being involved with my kids? I got relationships. I got moments. And we didn't always do everything right. I mean, there's a lot of things when you're raising kids, you're like, yeah, if I could do that over again, I definitely would. If you get off the couch, the kids will follow. It's that simple. You have to model it. And if you model it, your kids will follow. I have that internal drive to be better.
Here goes Bumble. You ready? You gotta rate me.
You know, you're doing it for yourself, but you're doing it for your kids, and you're doing it for their kids. And it doesn't take a lot.